We created this hustle culture to just grind it out, work as much as you can, go as fast as you can, make as much money as possible. I didn't want to do that.
I don't blame you. So tell us your name and your business.
My name is Brooke. I'm the owner and founder of Funnel Beast. My main motivation was freedom. I had left a corporate job. We started a family. I was helping my husband grow his electrical business, then decided I had to do this for myself.
Good for you.
So I started a digital marketing agency.
And how did that feel?
Starting my own business really was a liberating experience. It's truly life-changing. It allows me to utilize my creative side and also that nurturing side.
How was it taking that first leap?
It was so easy with ClickFunnels. You're guided through the process of how to build funnels, how to optimize your copy. The editor is simple drag and drop. You can set up so many automations where you can bounce people from one funnel to the next and keep ascending them up that value ladder.
So why ClickFunnels?
ClickFunnels is really the reason why I started my business. It just reignited that fire. I think in such a male-dominated world, to shed light on the creativity and power that women have is pretty amazing. There's so much more than just the software, it's the whole community. You should 100% sign up and take action.
Great advice, Brooke. Take action and start your free trial today.